Hey everyone, this is Dave again with All Safe Pool Fence Nets and Covers. Today we're at the shop and we're getting a net ready for install. Hey Mateo, where's this going today?
Corona.
Okay, we're gonna follow the install team out to Corona. Let's go check it out.
Your install technicians will need clear access to your backyard. They will measure the proper distance from the water's edge, snap a chalk line, mark the anchor placement, and core drill your deck. Then they'll install the brass keyhole anchors. The technician will tie the central tensioning system, also known as CTS. They will start with the length of the pool and position the CTS in the middle of the pool. And using the cone head clips, they'll attach the net to the deck. Then position the CTS in the width of the pool, and again using the cone head clips, attach the net to the deck. Now working from the original anchor points, they will attach the net at each anchor point, pulling and stretching the net very tight. When the technicians are finished with this step, you will have a very tight and straight net. Next, they will cut the excess net off and end up with an even scallop between anchors. Now it's time to sew the first run of twine. The next and final run of twine will be tied off in every intersection of net as well as the cone head clip. After the second run of twine, your net should look like this. It's time to crimp the cone head clips onto the net. Next, they will attach the label onto the net near the starting point. They will tie a different color twine at this point to indicate the starting anchor, and then color the starting anchor with a permanent marker. Now they will locate and drill the Titan tool placement. Once the Titan tool is in place and the CTS cord is tied off, they'll be ready to give you a demo on how your net system works. Release the tension from the Titan tool and unhook the anchor. Position the roller and anchor it with the attached cone head clip. The net should feed through the smaller square opening. Feed the twine through the square, hook the net with a pair loop clip, and roll the net up. Please note that the safety net is not an alternative for adult supervision. For more information on pool safety, please check out our website at allsafepool.com. Thank you for joining us today.